A procession and meeting was organized by Surrender NLFT and RVA groups at Jambujala Market on Thursday. NLFT President Vishwa Mohan Devarma, Utpal Devarma and others were present at the procession meeting.
After a procession at Jambujala Market, a meeting was held at the Bukri Community Hall. They said that many days have passed since the surrender and no one is contacting them. They have various problems over this issue. That is why they have held a procession and meeting today.
My belakino tamke tini oro pula no media personal ro final ro to no video channel ni no to no hambai dio nge jeng tini oro mothai NLF tini mothai NLF tini kaisa malai mung panda obo sibai hijola district ni under ro Jambujala ni tamnai Bukri community hall jeng tini oro kaisa gothong lai mani malai mung panda o jeng oro phaisa bai leja ani logiwo okra rok tongo ya phangni founder ni simi chengei jini tabungni paithak je ulo phaiso bane rok maximum bitarong no kinoro sobaija ang kaisa kaisa ko bomung sana to time asa waste khailia tamke ang bele bele ke hambai ma rio borok bele ke tamnai kasal samba bebak jagani phaiso baikya engke tabu jengoro phaimani kaino jeng malai lenani asa 35 years ni ulo jini pal rok ul segang goro phalimani jeng tabuk thumchang laija jeng borok bai jotto malai boroni kaham haya khobar nana rok phailai goro jeng malai lene kaisa tai kaisa chini dukhu kosto tei salai lene ke boskango te bosini samung batang to tongono salaimani mising tei chini project ni package ni tei robo to mano kok tongo haisi oboro step by step chini samung batang tei ne jeng tabu samung tangnai dofa tei hano chapna bagai je chobawo thangmani যদিও जों फाइसक बायदिया गैयाबा जबाथ' आरो पाइ थाङिया जों तेसा गोदाल खायनो दिनै जागा स्टार्ट खायनायनि थां दङ ओ जम्बुजला बेलायखायनो हिस्टोरिक आहायसि दिनै जागा जबाव अब मयथ' तंजानाय जागा अब जों बेबागनो सिउ जों तामो खायगा खायमांगा खायमिया अब अरनि लोकरंनो बरंनो बिचार खायदों बेयावनो गारितो तेम सानायो
सार को खायसे सुमुखो हायसे साल किसे सगां माने थांसाङै जे एकर्डिंनि फाइमारक आबरकले ताबो बुसुक जरा
samung proses tongo ago gi tongo sini nai abo to ketal issue buya haji ei je illegal immigrants ni je issue abo kono ketal issue ya tene ni o salota angkai obono actually boro khlaima to kaham no hamai ru abo जों खरं tisana nango pressure khaina nango yaba bini khlaidai ingkai sarkar se sarkar no riho ka tamne boni thariwo engkai sarkar tangai khaya jini bo proshno khai diba engkai tabo jini bisingo जों thansa khai abno bo khaima khai no kaham जों amongka
te kaisa sumu gaji sino soba to yakriya o soba tabo bhaike khlai mung bhaike nachik jagai to
yes जों soba tai thangani to oro kok khaya engkai bobishot tamo demand khai situation abo to bobishot ni paper tabo जों democracy o jagao kaisa agreement ni bising tisi phayo जों yak ti sawi phaya that is called what they call surrender mane jini agreement to surrender ni kono word kari haise kaisa agreement jono sonman khai no yasaka government so जों government no जों central government as well as the state government no जों hambai ru boro jono yasaka dai kaisa importantly oro sadai klayo government yasaka na ka 6 diman bising teng kibil phaya jini society o जों kibil phaya जोंले busuk accept khlai society ro abo oboni pasapasi ang sanai society thari ni 35 years o chini kabangma deramang gorma botong he deba na engkai ajagao society rong thani bo जों obono chini motong kha forgive forget and reconcile जों फायदि ना कालायनो कायसा थाय कायसा हामजा लायो तैसा गोरों लायानो obono chini uilani tini o kuthung pandani chini motu oba edama okay that's all I think.
Reported by Jivan from Bishalghar, Chini Khurang.